50 sentences using the word after.
I'll meet you after the movie.
She arrived home after a long day at work.
We had ice cream after dinner.
After the rain stopped, we went for a walk.
He always reads a book after breakfast.
After the meeting, we can discuss our plans.
She called me after she finished her errands.
We'll have a dessert after the main course.
After the game, we celebrated our victory.
He felt much better after taking medicine.
After the sun set, the stars appeared.
She went for a run after school.
After the concert, we met the band.
He likes to relax after a tough workout.
After the storm passed, we saw a rainbow.
I'll call you after I finish my work.
She enjoys a cup of tea after work.
After the performance, there was a standing ovation.
We watched a movie after dinner.
After the exam, we'll go out for pizza.
He usually naps after lunch. After the class, I have to rush to my job.
She got a promotion after years of hard work.
After the wedding, they went on a honeymoon.
He smiled after hearing a funny joke.
After the show, we met the cast.
We visited a museum after the zoo.
After the hike, we had a picnic.
She felt relaxed after her spa day.
After the rain, the flowers looked refreshed.
He went to the dentist after a toothache.
After a long flight, we finally arrived.
After a long wait, the bus came.
She felt relieved after a deep breath.
After the surgery, he recovered quickly.
We'll have coffee after our meeting.
After the incident, we filed a report.
After the wedding, they cut the cake.
He went for a swim after the sun came out.
After the hike, we enjoyed the view.
She called her friend after she missed the bus.
After the movie, we discussed the plot.
After the party, we cleaned up the mess.
He felt energetic after a good night's sleep.
After the rain, the streets were wet.
We can relax by the fireplace after skiing.
After the game, we went out for pizza.
After the interview, she received a job offer.
We had a good conversation after dinner.
After the performance, we congratulated the actors.